then I'll give it my best.
Assemblies come and assemblies go at Wheat Ridge High, but the one these farmers will always remember is the day NASA came calling with the opportunity for a live conversation with an astronaut aboard the International Space Station.
Wheat Ridge High School, this is Mission Control Houston. Please call station for a voice check.
Congressman Ed Perlmutter helped to make it happen. He thought the downlink was a perfect fit for a school known for its STEM program, which produced, among other successes, a 1,500-mile-per-gallon supercar. The school's Shades of Blue aviation classes were also a plus towards convincing NASA that Wheat Ridge was due this honor. A handful of students were given the chance to ask astronaut Shane Kimbrough questions.
My question for you is, what are the biggest challenges that we face to make the space travel to Mars a reality?
I think the biggest challenge is just trying to figure out how to get astronauts to Mars and return home safely. It sounds kind of simple, but there's a lot that's involved in that.
It was amazing. It was a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I'm very grateful here at Wheat Ridge that we had the opportunity to do it.
On your current mission, what is the most interesting science experiment that you're working on?
I've done a few things that so far, personally on my body, which is, those are always interesting. And it's all for use to figure out how we're going to get people away from low Earth orbit and go to places like Mars that we talked about earlier.
It is just so neat to be out in space and to just be exploring different planets and realize that Earth, we are just one tiny, tiny dot.
Well, I was inspired by talking to the kids who many of them already had an interest, and this just really expanded that and magnified the interest in aerospace or in some kind of exploration or certainly in science. It's obviously spurred a lot of thought in these students, and I'm very proud of them.
Former astronaut Steve Lindsay, who's now helping develop the Dream Chaser Next Generation Space Shuttle, was also there to share his experience.
Basically, I consider these recruiting trips. We want to get the students excited in math and science. Hopefully the aerospace industry, which Colorado has a huge aerospace industry, and we need people to take our place. My hair is getting grayer and grayer. If we meet our plans and go to Mars, hopefully some of these students will have an opportunity to participate in that and maybe even fly it one day.
It would be pretty amazing to explore the unexplored.